how to change icon on Duolingo app. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Take it simple. In this video, I am going to show you an easy step on how to change icon on Duolingo app. Open your Duolingo application and tap on your avatar head. Click on the settings and go to your profile. You can edit your avatar from here by tapping on change avatar. But if you want to change your profile picture, then open any browser you have and type duolingo.com. Make sure that you are logged in here. Then tap on the avatar head and again click on the pencil-like icon in the screen. Press on the Choose Files button and select the picture you want. After selecting, press on the Save Changes, and this is how easily you can change icon on Duolingo application. Thank you for watching till the end. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.